Good day all. Welcome to Bridge LCS. We are here to share with you all the glad news that Bridge LCS has come up with the updated version. In this video, let's quickly run over the features that have been newly included. In the newly released version 5.2, we have launched 3 major features which were highly requested by our users along with other few useful functionalities. First and the foremost feature that we are going to discuss in this video is live container tracking. With a precise container number, here afterwards you can easily track the status of the containers every now and then. You can find the live tracking button along with each and every applicable row as you can see here. Clicking on this particular icon provides you a map to display the route and place where the container is currently in. This job has 2 containers, as you can see 2 container numbers here. In order to get the complete details of the container, click on the container symbol present in this part. You will get the time to time update here. Second major feature we have included in this version is live currency exchange. Go to settings, financial settings. Enable the live currency exchange rate in this part. This reflects in the vouchers and invoices wherever the exchange rate is required. Click on Save once you enable the exchange rate in order to apply the selections made. Third feature we are going to discuss in this video is improved global search. You can search whatever data you wish to access and access on the same page without getting redirected to a different page. I'm typing in a sample customer name. So the data related to this particular customer like invoices and other data will get displayed in this part. As you can see, we have a view button here. Clicking on this option opens up the required data in a fraction of a second. Next addition we are going to discuss in this video is job logs. This is very useful for the admins to keep a track on the actions that are being done on a particular job. Double click on the job number. In this pop-up, we have included logs in this part. Here you can see the actions that are being done along with the respective users. Next comes the job status. For users' quicker access and to save time, we are now displaying the recently updated status along with each and every row. Through this feature, you can avoid many steps that are required to check the status every now and then. These are the productive features that we have included in the version 5.2. We trust you would have found these features useful. Thank you for watching.